Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious egg roll. This egg roll is so soft inside and crunchy outside. I have a video of how I make my previous egg rolls, but today I'm going to be showing you another version that I use. This one is so nice, so good. So guys, if you are interested, sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, to start, in a bowl I'll be adding sugar, baking powder. I'll be adding 200 ml of water for now. I'll add 1 egg, melted butter, nutmeg, vanilla, I'm going to mix everything together properly. Make sure to mix everything very well together. Then I'll add salt. Then I'll mix together as well. I'm going to be adding the flour bit by bit. Make sure to mix everything together properly. So I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit. In total, I use about 350 ml of water for this recipe. So now I'm going to cover the dough. I will allow the dough to rest for about 30 minutes. So while I'm waiting for the dough to rest, I'm just going to go on to start boiling the eggs. So guys, here is the dough. And as you can see, I've peeled off the eggs. Then I have a plate of flour and I'm going to be heating the oil now. So before you start wrapping your dough, you need to start heating your oil first. So as you can see guys, I'm just going to dip my hands inside the flour. I will use it to rub my hands very well because I don't want the dough to stick to my hands. So now I'm just going to be wrapping the egg with the dough. And as you can see, this dough is sticky. I find it so easy for me. I've tried several ways of making egg roll, but I find this one preferable because you just achieve this nice and soft inside and crunchy outside. And also this one doesn't burst when you're frying it because I don't know, I prefer this way of making my egg rolls. So I'm just going to start frying the egg rolls. I'm going to be repeating it again one more time, and make sure to rub your hands with the flour very well so that the dough will not stick to your hands. Make sure to wrap your egg rolls very well so that your egg rolls will not burst open when you are frying it. I'm going to be frying these egg rolls for about 8 to 10 minutes. And make sure to stir the egg rolls so that the both sides will cook evenly. So our egg rolls is ready. I'm going to take them away from the oil. Then I will repeat the process one more time until I finish frying all the egg rolls. So guys, look at this egg roll, so beautiful and so delicious as well. And make sure to give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So make sure you put it on top of a paper napkin. That will help to absorb the excess oil from the egg rolls. So now I'm going to be frying the other batch until I finish frying all the egg rolls. And I hope you find this video interesting. If you do, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. This egg rolls was really delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I would love to see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.